Hi guys, today I'll be giving you a quick start into creating a virtual machine. For this, I'll give you a quick introduction into what virtual machine is if you are not heard of this term, and then I'll be creating a virtual machine, a Ubuntu virtual machine. Okay, what's a virtual machine? You might have wondered. Wikipedia defines virtual machine as an emulation of computer system. Virtual machines are based on computer architectures and provide functionality of a physical computer. That is, both the hardware and the software of a physical computer can be emulated on a virtual environment. On the right hand side, there is an illustration of a virtual machine implementation. Normally, on the host OS is installed a software called hypervisor, for example, Hyper-V, EXS Server, Oracle VirtualBox, Zen, and so on and so forth. In this hypervisor software, you can create as many virtual machines as you like this. These virtual machines are isolated, that is, they do not have connection with other running systems, other guest OSs. So each virtual machine in itself is a capsule having its own virtual hardware and, and an OS with different applications. There is no connection with other virtual machines unless it is configured. This is a short overview of what virtual machine is. So let's get started in creating a virtual machine of our own. So in order to create a Ubuntu virtual machine, I have downloaded the virtual VMware workstation player and installed, and I've also downloaded the desktop version of Ubuntu, the latest one, 20.04. While creating a virtual machine, you might face the following messages. If your Hyper-V is activated on the host OS, then you might see a similar message. To get rid of this, you need to deactivate your Hyper-V feature in the host OS and restart your VMware player. You might also find a message asking for update of the tools, VMware tools. It is always recommended to install the latest version of VMware tools. Okay, let's get started with creating a virtual machine of our own. In order to do that, I will go to the VMware player and then click create a new virtual machine from the menu here. And I've already downloaded the Ubuntu file, ISO file. So I need to select it from the folder, downloads folder. And then it automatically detects that it's a Ubuntu 64-bit 20.04. And you can click next. Okay. Then you can personalize, you can fill out some information here. Okay. Okay, you can give a virtual machine a name. Okay, and here you can define the virtual machine's disk size. Normally, it is recommended minimum of 25 GB for the latest Ubuntu version, but I define usually 100 GB and store it in a single file for portability. Okay, upon clicking next, you see here there's a possibility to configure the hardware or the customized hardware. Upon clicking that, I give memory. Memory, it's recommended 4 GB, and processor I will leave it at 2, and I will leave all other options as default. I just click finish. Once I click the finish button, VMware Player automatically boots on. I click download and install. Okay, I've created now a virtual machine, Ubuntu 20.04, and also installed the VMware tools along with it and logged into this into this machine. Good, then I can close this. Power off. All right, we have just seen what a virtual machine is, and we've also created a virtual machine Ubuntu 20.04. I have also another video explaining how to install GitLab in an Ubuntu OS. So you can use this Ubuntu VM which you just created to install GitLab and explore its features. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more. So see you until next. Have fun. Bye.